Welcome back to the podcast, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into a fascinating topic that's critical for anyone working with large models in machine learning. It's all about hot swapping your training code in Pytorch. Now, if you've ever found yourself waiting an eternity to load massive models from disk into VRAM every time you want to test a new script, then you're in for a treat. Imagine you've just tweaked your training script. You're eager to see the results, but you have to wait sometimes upwards of 30 seconds just to load that model again. Frustrating, right? Well, we'll explore a method that keeps those large models in VRAM, allowing for a much quicker and smoother development experience. Now, to give you a better picture of how this works, let's break it down. This method involves creating a second process that remains active even after your main training script exits. So when you run your script, it's not just running in isolation. You've got an intelligent background process handling things for you, making sure your model is ready and waiting when you need to rerun your code. But here's where it gets even cooler. This approach doesn't just help with keeping models in memory, it also allows you to execute code remotely. Picture this. You're debugging on your development machine, but your model is running on a remote server. With a proper setup, you can enjoy a seamless development experience, correcting an error or testing a new hypothesis without the long wait times. We've also seen some exciting developments in user interface capabilities. For those of you who love a good GUI, you can submit UI code along with your training scripts, which really enhances your interaction with the model. Imagine watching your training progress in real time as loss metrics are displayed right in front of you. Who wouldn't want that instant feedback? Now, for anyone wondering how to get started with this setup, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to configure your model server by setting your model's download location and ports, and then swap your typical model loading code for a reference to a global variable. But don't worry, if that sounds complicated, we'll make sure to walk you through the essentials during this conversation. So, let's think about this for a moment. Who here has experienced those frustrating development lags? How would a faster feedback loop change the way you experiment with models? Maybe you've had an instance where a small tweak in code made a big difference, but the wait time made it painful to execute. This method could be a game changer in that regard. To wrap things up, the key takeaway today is all about efficiency in machine learning development. By leveraging hot swapping in Pytorch, you can significantly reduce downtime and ramp up productivity. Whether you're developing on a local machine or executing remotely, these strategies could really streamline your workflow. Thanks for joining us today as we explored how to make your machine learning development experience smoother and faster. Don't forget to tune in next time for more insights into the ever-evolving world of AI and machine learning. Until then, keep experimenting and innovating,